Hi guys, I will show you on this video how to install and use setiptv on a Samsung Smart TV. So first you will need to click on the home button, which is on the middle of the remote control. So you click on it. Then you go to apps and you go up to app search. Then you type setiptv. And now I can see my app. It's this one, so I will click on it, then click on install, wait for it to get installed, and once it's installed, click on open. So I will click on open, and now my app is loading. I will click on OK to skip the video launcher, then click on I accept, and here I can see that my app has been successfully installed on my TV. To make this app working, you will need to buy an M3 link. You can buy the M3 link from the link that you can find on the first comment. You can also find the link of the website in the description of this video.